bottle until it get.
What is up, everybody? We're back here again, Johnny Customs, and we have an unfamiliar car to everybody. The Daily, the Dad Wagon, getting some love. We're gonna put some Stop Tech brake pads and rotors because these brakes are trying to kill me. I came from like a stop from 20 miles an hour, slammed the brakes, and was like, it was the ABS kicked on. So that shit, either that or they were just failing. So we're gonna go ahead and put these in. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. I don't think so, but the rust might might say otherwise. So let's go ahead and start this bitch. Also, check it out. Went to the flea market today, got myself brand new Milwaukee Impact with a battery and a charger. Great deal. So we're gonna put it to the test today once the battery's done. Hell yeah. Thought you guys would like to know. That's pretty cool. So deals. Just got the car lifted up. It's a little bit of rust there, but we're still making it happen. A little bit of leaks, but all of it will be taken care of soon. All right, so we're coming to our first problem 5 minutes in. Well, the first problem was jacking that bitch up. Oh, because it's kind of rusty. But the second one is trying to see if we can, what is it? Like
push the piston back?
Yeah, so we can get these old pads out. So usually he said he uses a flathead, but because this bitch is rusty, look at that. Half the car's coming out. Weight reduction. Right there. Yeah. Is it going or?
Oh, well, right now we'll see after you.
I couldn't imagine that these have never been done. They've had to have been done at some point in 158,000 miles.
They look bad.
I know. But we'll see. These new ones though, thank you to Batia, gave these to me for Christmas. Stop Tech. It's probably gonna be the nicest thing on this car, even after all the maintenance. Well, let's see. We finally got it loose. He's showing me how to do it on this side, so that way I can get it on his side. So she's rusty, but I mean she's going. But I'll be doing the other side. Stab that bitch. Owes you money. Give me my money. Going.
I think that's it.
Maybe.
Maybe, yeah.
You want some PB Blaster or something?
I'll be alright.
I think I have some. Maybe start soaking the other one in PB Blaster?
I think that's it, actually. It probably doesn't look like it has too much play to it. No, it's all the way back already.
Alright.
I think we should be good. Not to actually start changing them.
Alright, so once you remove the actual caliper, what you just need a Phillips head, it looks like? Or what do you need to take the old ones out?
Give me a sec, though. Take what out?
What do you need to take the actual pads out once you...
Oh, it just pops out.
Oh, they just pop out? Oh, shit.
Damn, they're fucked.
Yeah, dude. These were... Dude, I'm telling you, I was struggling.
You know what? These aren't the worst ones I've seen.
That's worries me that there's drivers out there with worse brakes. So now we're going to remove these ugly, rusty things.
Let's try to get... Just the bracket that holds the line in place, so I can move this over so I don't leave it hanging.
So you can set it on the floor or something. It's pretty good. We had our first issue, which was that the brake rotors or the brake pads that I got from Batia were for his 02 WRX, and the 02 WRX and the 03 use different pads, I guess, from like the 04. So not a big deal. We went to pick up some of these, and I'll probably be giving away the other ones, the Stop Tech ones, to somebody in the Subaru group. But he's putting the brackets in now. Pretty easy. You just pop them in there.
Yep.
And then we got the pads right here. Should be a pretty simple install. So far, it's a lot easier than what I anticipated. And where do you put the grease at?
Right here.
So he's gonna show me where he puts the grease. Right in between there.
Just so they slide in and out nicely.
The sloppy toppy.
Because that's where they slide. You can also re-grease these.
Which what?
You can re-grease these as soon as you pop them out. And then also I've seen some people do the back of them too, supposedly for, you know, so it doesn't squeak, but
Yeah, I think this should be good.
yeah, that's what I was gonna say. I always put it on before, because if you put it on while it's on there, then it just makes a mess and you get it all over the rotors.
You already have it out, might as well just fucking do it now like this.
Let's pop these bitches in.
And then he's gonna shove it in there. Tighten down the bracket, should be good. First thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna take this bolt off of this bracket here. Johnny just finished the other side and it was a pain in the ass, so we learned from our mistakes and know how to kind of work around this rusty piece of crap. So it's a 12 and then we're gonna go from there. First we're gonna start by hand loosening it and then we'll use the little drill. So what we're doing now is we're taking the flathead and we're pushing it up against the brake pad that's in there, pulling it so we can push the piston in, right? And what that does is make it easier to slide it out, correct?
Well, you need to push back in when you put the new brakes in.
Okay, so we're just doing it now.
We don't have a clamp here.
We do things the street way here at Johnny Customs, all right?
If it works, it works.
Yep. So the next thing we're doing is right here. There's these two, the caliper bolts, right? Or the caliper bracket. It's like right, I don't know if you can see it very well, but it's right here. And there's 17s on this car. And we just gotta loosen those up so we can take everything out. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now. First we're gonna loosen it up with this, with the back scratcher right here. And then we're gonna use the little impact gun. So let's go ahead and knock that out. The taking off the rotors is take out all your anger. Just be like, you piece of shit Subaru. Oh shit, fuck you. Just like that. Just hit it a few more times because you want to. It's good, it comes off, right? You rusty piece of shit. Fuck you. Wire brush this thing. We're gonna put these fucking brackets in. I'm thinking it's like this. Looks right to me. Pop them in. Are they the same brackets for the top and the bottom, or?
Yep. Just pop them in good.
So you pop in the brackets.
He's missing two things. That's what it is.
And then, what am I missing?
It's something that goes right around there.
What? Oh. I haven't installed that one yet. But you pop the brackets in. Fucking piece of shit. So rusty, this thing. But you shove it in there just like that. Maybe spit on it a little bit. So it's in there good. Then you're gonna take the brake grease. Just like how we did on the other side. And you said just put it in between here, right? So you just kind of put it in between there a little bit. And the reason we do it before is so that way we don't make a fucking mess when we're fucking putting it in. God damn, I think I put too much there.
You don't say.
Oh shit. Oh, you can never have too much lube, right?
True. You ever run out, you're all reliable.
So right there, we got it in there. So now, that's it. We gotta put the pads in, right? Or
Yep. Put everything back together now.
Yep. All right. So right now, all you gotta do now is just freaking, this thing slides right in. That's why we lubed it up. And then make sure it's good there. Bam. And then same thing to the other side. This part goes on top, right?
Yep. So why would you put the old one in?
Oh shit. Oops. Good catch. That's what friends are for. There we go.
Ta-da!
Got it in. All moved up fingers, but we did it. So now we just gotta put fucking caliper back on. Hopefully it's smoother than the other side.
And we're good to go.
We're good to go on the fronts. So all you gotta do right here, shine the light for me. Put it in right here. Nope. All right, if we could pause the video. Right here, we're about to friggin' customize this.
If it works, it works.
So we gotta pop that piston out some more. So we got the jack in here in between.
Just shove it in there.
We gotta lower it a little bit, right? Or
You gotta, lower it a bit.
lower it a little bit.
Alright,
Get it in there. And then we just. Is it going in?
Yep.
Piston in manually.
Yeah, that's it. There we go.
For these rusty.
You might want to do the other one out a little bit too.
Yeah, and that's how you do it. It's all about problem solving. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start on the rear. Should be hopefully the same process, but hopefully now that we know how to deal with this rusty ass shit, should be a little bit easier. So let's get right into it. Alright, so the back should be similar to the front, except the only difference is the e-brake, which Johnny just told me about. So he's going ahead hammering that bitch and get these rotors out. We're having low battery, so hopefully I can finish the video even though I charged it, I guess just because it's cold. Reliable. Glad we didn't decide to race because he's already done with this side and I'm still over here trying to get this stupid fucking bolt out that's still not letting me get it out. So hopefully we can figure that out. So we're back here another day. Freaking we had some issues where the stupid ass pins, the caliper brackets were busted. So we went to AutoZone. I bought them yesterday, but this is actually the week after. We got all the pieces for it right here. The new caliper brackets. We got these stupid things. That stupid thing, that stupid thing, this stupid thing. Oh. But Johnny's helping me out right here because he's got this fancy garage. And if not, we'll be out here in the elements doing this in the cold. So I'm very grateful. But we're gonna go ahead and do this. And then should be pretty easy. After that, hopefully no issues. We were pretty much just flying through this focus camera, god damn it. Took a tumble earlier, but we're pretty much just flying through this, using everything I learned last time, kind of putting it to the test right now. We got the new bracket on here. It's gonna look way newer than the freaking caliper, but whatever. The brake pads are significantly more worn because what happened was that these pins here that you can see, they're moving now. Let me see if I can shine the light towards it. But right here you can see they're moving now, but they were stuck open, so it caused the brake pads to actually be on the rotor the whole time, which sucks because it put a significant amount of wear on both the pads and the rotors. Brand new. I didn't drive it that often, really just home and then back here, and yeah, so show you once it's done and actually complete. Hopefully that solves the issue. Just like that, this bitch is done. New caliper brackets because the guide pins were all fucked up on the other ones. New rotors, which unfortunately I've seen some action already with a few hundred miles of, or not a few hundred, but a few like miles of constant brake pressure. But it's all good. We finally got it done. Thank you again to Johnny. You guys already know, I'll put his info down there again, but you guys know what to do. See you guys next week. Always remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Rez out.
sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow.